Okay, so this is my base that I made. So at first, this is the watchtower. A person sits there and looks at computers and watches. And down here is a cannon. And over right there, that is the power generator. It generates power to this whole base. This place, right here, that place is not much of a place, but except this guy right there, he drives the space. He runs the space. And this robot right there fixes stuff. Right now he is fixing a security camera. This is Ignacia, and this is another cannon. And there are two machine guns, and a special blaster right there. He runs that controls, and this are decoration wings. Okay, these are two castle protections. They are very strong. These are all things that help block the generator. That is another cannon, and this is a laser. These two are jump pads to get up there. This is a blocker. That is a clearer. This is the other Ignacia. A skull with red eyes. And there's the flag. There is the king. And right here, right there, he controls these. This and this. There are many things to still be done. I will still work on it. I have made this. Please stay tuned. I will make more of the base.